Dive into the escalating naval rivalry in the Indian Ocean. Bloomberg reveals how China's growing presence is challenging India's long-held dominance. With China's expanding string of pearls strategy and increasing naval deployments, India is racing to modernize its fleet and strengthen alliances. Explore the strategic implications of this power struggle, the economic interests at stake, and the potential for conflict in this critical waterway. Bloomberg's analysis uncovers the investments, the military buildup, and the geopolitical chess moves shaping the future of the Indian Ocean. Did you know? The Indian Ocean is the third largest of the world's oceanic divisions, covering approximately 20% of the Earth's total water surface, according to Bloomberg. Comment your opinion. Follow us for more updates. Could you hit the like button?